Hey guys, Phil here with another unboxing. This time it's the Wing Gundam Zero Master Grade. This one's a 2004 release from Bandai. As usual on the cover, nice artwork. This side here we've got the action poses, got the front, side on, weapon pose, got the weapons, cockpit and some markings. Recommended in yen is 3,800. Got the bust views again, and here we've got more views of the completed kit, front view, rear view. Got the machine cannon, a bit of the frame photos, and the popular closed wing. Got this nice miniature poster, if you want to cut it up and frame, of the Wing Gundam completed. Now we'll be showing these out of the bags. In this one here you got the stickers, some of the frame, multicolored. Got the wings. Looks like the polycaps in here, a bit of the inner frame. Looks like some more of the wings. Armor in a frame. Weapons runner. More wing runners. Now I have mentioned this in previous videos, when opening these up, pulling the runners out, make sure you double check the bags for no loose parts. It can become costly to replace. And for the manual, this Gundam's from the Endless World series. Some black and white artwork of the kit. Part names. Unfortunately it is all in Japanese. Got the runner list. And building. Now don't worry with these if you don't understand Japanese. Picture illustrations, pretty simple to follow and build. Got some of the anime pictures here of the Wing Gundam, and some more of the completed kit, the front view, rear view, so forth. Recommend colours for painting if you wanted to mix your own colours up. Alrighty, here we've got the multicolour runner A. Colours are pretty nice, solid, bright. Okay, part of the wings. These have a rubbery feel to them. Nice bit of a difference. Runner H. Looks like some of the inner frame. A bit more of the wings. And again, two of these runners. As usual with the master grade, quality to detail is very high. Got runner I, which is your weapons. Runner D. We have the polycap runner. It's a small runner for a master grade. Got runner L. Looks like a bit of the wings. And got the hands here. Runner F, the inner frame. Runner E, looks like leg in the frame. Runner B, armor runner, and headpieces. Runner G1, wing runner. Runner G2, armor. Now if you guys would like to see a review on this kit, please leave a comment. I'll be more than happy. And finally, base. And stay tuned for the build. Thank you, please subscribe.